All right, so this is a high amperage problem I've been having here in my shop. And it's not due to the machine or anything. It's actually the type of power coming from the streets. Right now I'm at 2.8, and then if I stop the motor, it goes up to 9.9. What I've done a few things to get rid of the problem or reduce the problem, because I still haven't finished the problem here. So as long as the motor is running, it's fine. I did a temporary, might look a little unsafe, but I did a temporary fix by cleaning the power lines, and it did help. I put a filter, an MEI filter, going from the power line. Of course, I'm going to fix this and clean this up, but go into the phase perfect, and then from the phase perfect goes into a isolating transformer, which is not the best, but just trying to fix the problem. But it did reduce quite a bit. So as long as the motor is running, even sometimes with just the door open and just running like at 50 RPM, I think it is what it drops to, the power still drops down. And then of course if I stop the motor, it goes to 9.9. And apparently just the power lines are terrible right now. And I'll show you in the oscilloscope. So here I have the oscilloscope measuring the power coming from this horrible power grid, which is where I move my shop into. I should have done, like, maybe this is a warning for everybody, just before you move your shop somewhere else, measure the how clean that grid is in you know where you're buying or where you're leasing. So as you can see on this, the blue is before it enters the filter, and then after it gets filtered, that's the yellow. It goes into it's a lot cleaner. So now let's talk about the phase perfect and this 3-phase that I'm delivering to the Fanuc. What about the phase perfect? By the way, I'm really happy with my phase perfect. Now, I was a little disappointed when I put the oscilloscope and I realized that the phases, phase 1 and 2 are, 180 degrees apart, and then phase 3 looks 120 from phase 1. Not ideal, but maybe that is the problem as I'm trying to get to the bottom of this. However, in my last shop, the power was a lot cleaner. I never had this high amperage problem. By the way, in my new shop, the problem starts at 11 a.m. and it goes all the way to like 8 or 9 p.m. So it's definitely the grid, because if I wake up early and start using the shop, early on, it doesn't do anything. The machine runs well. I measure temperatures. It's not temperatures. It really is the power coming from the grid. So the tech will come this week and let me know which type of isolating transformer I have. This one that I have, it has helped out like quite a bit. But I don't think I have the Delta Wye connection done properly, or I don't have the right isolating transformer. And so as soon as I get the new one, I'll post back to see if the case was resolved. So, and by resolve, I mean like completely resolved, right? So where I don't have to turn the motors on or the spindle on to get the power to come out clean. So that's it for now. This transformer that I'm using has helped out a lot. I can at least use the machine, but I don't believe this is the Fanuc at all. It looks like just like the dirty power. And of course, he works great in the morning when the power is less dirty. Has more. It has more interference at about 11, so 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. So that's where was the problem is. Well, thanks for watching. If if you have resolved a similar issue, please drop me a line.